If you're trying to decide between Perplexity AI and Claude AI, this video will help you quickly understand which one is the better AI generator for your specific needs. Both tools are powerful, but they are built for different kinds of work. So instead of asking which one is better overall, the smarter question is which one is better for research, writing, coding, or content creation. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Perplexity AI. Perplexity is best known as an AI-powered search engine. That means it is designed to search the web in real time and give you answers based on current information. One of its biggest strengths is that it cites sources directly, so you can see where the information came from. This is extremely useful if you want to verify facts, check recent updates, compare products, or research current events. If your task depends on freshness and accuracy from the latest web content, Perplexity AI is a very strong choice. For example, if you need to compare the newest laptops, look up recent news, check market trends, or find updated statistics, Perplexity is often the faster and more practical tool. It is built for answering questions with live information, which makes it feel more like a smart research assistant than a creative writing partner. That is why many users turn to Perplexity when they need facts first and fast. Now let's move to Claude AI. Claude is optimized for reasoning, writing, coding, and long-form content creation. It is especially good at understanding complex instructions and generating responses that feel natural, organized, and thoughtful. If you need help writing blog posts, reports, emails, summaries, code, or brainstorming ideas, Claude is often the better option. It handles long conversations very well and can keep track of context across detailed prompts much better than many other AI tools. Claude is also a great choice when you want something polished and structured. It can take large documents, analyze them, and help you rewrite or improve them. If you are working on content creation, editing, or anything that needs clear logic and strong writing quality, Claude usually stands out. Developers also like Claude because it is useful for coding support, debugging, and explaining technical ideas in a simpler way. So how do you choose between them? Use Perplexity AI when your goal is research, live web search, source-backed answers, and up-to-date information. Use Claude AI when your goal is writing, reasoning, analyzing, coding, and producing high-quality long-form content. In simple terms, Perplexity is stronger for finding information, while Claude is stronger for creating and refining information. If you are a student, researcher, marketer, or someone who needs current facts, Perplexity may be the better AI generator for you. If you are a writer, creator, analyst, or developer who needs deep reasoning and better content generation, Claude may be the better fit. In many cases, the best workflow is actually using both tools together. Perplexity for research and Claude for turning that research into polished content. That is the real difference between Perplexity AI and Claude AI. They are both excellent, but they shine in different situations. If you want the latest web information with citations, go with Perplexity. If you want strong writing, analysis, and long-form generation, go with Claude. If you found this comparison helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.